Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to display manufacturing and purchase order into cell order screen. You can see here our module Dev Cell Manufacturing and Purchase Status. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to cells, go to any orders like 29 and see here this two button, view manufacturing order and view purchase order. First I want to see manufacturing order for this 29 number of order, so click on this manufacturing order. So see here 29 order for created, total 2 manufacturing order. Again back this order. Now I want to see purchase order, so click on this and see here 29 for created purchase order, only one. Thank you.